In Apple iPhone, if you want to use one hand mode, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling about how to use one hand mode in Apple iPhone. Benefit of using one hand mode is that you can use your phone with one hand only, or you don't want to stretch your hands to use your smartphone. Normally, if you are using phone like this, if you want to access anything, you should stretch your hands. But if you are using one hand mode, everything will be shown in bottom half only. So you don't need to stretch your hands. Anyways, in this video, we'll be telling about how to use one hand mode in Apple iPhone. For that, what you need to do is from bottom center area, scroll down. When you are scrolling down, one hand mode will be enabled. So now here you can see everything is in one half. Now here you can easily use this phone with one hand only. You don't need to stretch your hand. So if you want, you can use this mode. Anyways, after this, if you want to disable this one hand mode, in most of the case, it will be disabled automatically. But if it is not disabling automatically, what you need to do is above you can see a sign like this. Click on this button. When you are clicking on that, one hand mode will be disabled. So this way you can easily enable or disable one hand mode in Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.